Well, the future might be closer than you think. Tesla, the electric vehicle giant, has been promising a robotaxi service for quite some time. But has it actually materialized yet? To understand the hype surrounding Tesla's robotaxi, let's dive into a bit of history. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has been vocal about his vision of a future where autonomous vehicles are the norm. He's even gone so far as to predict that robot access will be a major source of revenue for Tesla. The idea is simple. Tesla cars equipped with advanced self-driving technology would be used as robot access, picking up and dropping off passengers without human intervention. This could revolutionize transportation, making it safer, more efficient, and more accessible. So, has the Tesla robotaxi event actually started? Well, not quite. While Tesla has made significant strides in autonomous driving technology, there are still a few hurdles to overcome. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the safety of robot access. Autonomous vehicles must be able to handle a wide range of driving scenarios, from busy city streets to rural highways. They must also be able to detect and avoid potential hazards, such as pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Another challenge is regulatory approval. Governments around the world are still developing regulations for autonomous vehicles. These regulations must strike a balance between innovation and safety. Despite these challenges, Tesla has made significant progress. The company has been testing its self-driving technology on public roads for several years. And while there have been a few accidents involving Tesla vehicles, it's important to note that the vast majority of these accidents have been caused by human error. Recent developments. In recent months, Tesla has been making headlines with its robotaxi ambitions. The company has announced plans to expand its testing program and to start offering a limited robotaxi service in select cities. One of the most notable developments is Tesla's release of the full self-driving beta software. This software allows Tesla owners to test out advanced self-driving features such as automatic lane changes and automatic parking. While the full self-driving beta software is still under development, it represents a significant step forward in Tesla's quest to bring robot access to market. So, has the Tesla robotaxi event started? Not yet, but it's getting closer. Tesla has made significant progress in autonomous driving technology, and the company is poised to launch a limited robotaxi service in the near future. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome, and it remains to be seen whether Tesla will be able to deliver on its promise of a fully autonomous robotaxi service. But one thing is clear, the future of transportation is changing, and Tesla is at the forefront of this revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.